Rolando is a professional footballer who plays as a winger for Championship club Huddersfield Town. Aarons joined Newcastle United's youth setup in 2012 after being released by his hometown club Bristol City. In April 2014, Aarons signed a professional contract with Newcastle United. On August 17, 2014, he made his Premier League debut as a substitute, playing the final 16 minutes in a 2-0 defeat to Manchester City. He has had loan spells with Hellas Verona in Italy, Slovan Liberec in the Czech Republic, and Scottish club Motherwell, and in England with Sheffield Wednesday and Wycombe Wanderers. After only making 22 appearances for Newcastle, Aarons signed for Huddersfield Town on the 7th of January 2021 on a 2.5-year deal. However, a hamstring injury limited him to only making 5 appearances. Aarons was born in Jamaica, but has represented England at the under-20 level.